heritage tourism is a very essential component to shape our society, our environment, and our earth.
All of us come to art, but even life, with a series of expectations, and quite a lot of those expectations are put there by others.
Any heritage collection tells a story. It tells a story of who we want to be, how we want to see ourselves. And that's quite powerful.
We focus on a very wide range of themes on the Middle East and Central Asia.
We're actually looking to teach you how new crimes and emerging problems are happening as they happen.
The program is not about teaching you our knowledge, it's about giving you the tools that you'll need to go out there and create the knowledge in the future.
In our program, we challenge you to gain a deeper understanding of works of art by working with that work of art on site.
You'll have access to all of the major national cultural institutions that are on our doorstep.
We can take you to different institutions like the National Library, like the War Memorial, and talk to historians that are at work.
This program is for people who have a real love of language and a deep curiosity for what language does.
Since studying anthropology, the way I look at the world is so different to before, and it's so much more complex and rich.
You have these moments where you're sort of discovering something for the first time. You're looking at something and something's clicking in your brain. You're like, wow, this is something new. And that's a really exciting thing to have.